Hello guys, welcome once again. In this video we will look how to use JOptionPane in different ways. So till now we have seen the use of JOptionPane. For example, I will show you for saving a new value. When I press this button, it shows the message saved. So this message saved and this frame is called JOptionPane. So we have seen a simple use of JOptionPane till now, and when I press OK it's saved. But for example, you want to use this JOptionPane in a more interesting way. I will show you how to do it. So for example, you want to use this JOptionPane for showing different line values in different line. This is just an example. Gen- Generally, previously, what code we have written, in that code we can only show only one line, but for example I want to show this so many lines in my JOptionPane or message. And how can I do this? I will show you today. Okay, so let's see how we can do this. I will close this thing and I will start writing my code. So here I will take a case study or example. So for example, when I want to save some employee data, it must show me the confirmation message that employee ID has been entered, this name has been entered, whatever name you have entered or surname you have entered in a message box. So how you can do it, I will show you right now. So what I will do is I will go to my save action performed method, and in here I have written this code joptionpane.showmessagedialog null saved for showing the message saved. Instead of this message, I want to show the message that you have saved this name, this surname and this value or ID. So how can I do this? I will show you now, right now. So what you have to do is, wherever you have written this code, go above that and write string message, whatever variable name you want to give, and then double quotes and semicolon, and in this we will write our message. So this message we will pass into our JOptionPane is, we will pass it in the form of HTML code. So you have to write this and inside this HTML and just copy it and paste it once again, and in here you just have to give this slash sign, and in between we will write our message. So for example, I have already told you that I want to show employee ID, name and surname. When I saved my data, it will confirm me that I have saved this name and this employee ID and this surname, so I will write first of all what employee ID is equal to, and now I have to show the value of that employee ID. So how can I do this? I will give two double quotes and in between double plus, and in between I have to give my employee ID string which I am taking from this text box. So I will copy its variable name, it's called text employee ID, and I will paste it here, and after that I will write dot get text. So it will take my employee ID number in the form of string, and it will show employee ID is equal to whatever your string is. Okay, and in the next line I want to show the name. So what I do is, generally in the HTML code we give this BR, it means change the line, and then I will, after this BR I will hit enter key, and in here I will write once again my name. So name is equal to double quotes in between plus plus, and it will be in between the variable name of my name text field. So text field name, and once again copy this BR and paste it here. Okay, and press enter once again, and once again if you want to print surname, I will just copy to ease the things, surname, and I will copy the variable name surname and paste it here. So this is my message which I want to show. And how can I show this message? After this you have to write J option pane and write option pane as variable name. You can take it anything. This variable name is equal to new J option pane. Copy this and give brackets and close it. In the next line copy this variable name J option pane and dot set J option pane dot set message, and in this bracket copy this message variable name for the message and paste it here. Okay, in the next line you will write once again this joptionpane dot set message type, and in here you will write copy this joptionpane and paste it here dot information message. We are showing this information that our employee name and our ID is this, so this is information message. And once again write J dialog, this one, J dialog, and give it a name. Dialog is equal to your option pane variable name dot create dialog, and close this here, and in here we will write null, and you can give any message. So you, I will write you have entered this message on the top of the dialog box. And at last what we do is we will copy this dialog variable of jdialog dot set visible true. So this is the code I need to show the message in different lines, and now we will check our code whether it works or not. So I will run it, and it's running, yes. And now I will give some other, I will save some other information of employee, and I will press save button, and it shows me the employee ID, you can see it here, and in the next values name and surname, and it's not taking name and surname very in a very good manner, it's not taking, so I will see what is the mistake. But employee ID, it's taking exactly the same 17, you can see, but it's not taking the name, so I will see what is the problem. Okay, it's too big. Okay, so let me see the problem. So I think I found the problem here. I only have taken this variable name, text name of my name. I have to write text name dot get text, and here also dot get text. Now I think hopefully it will work. I will run my program. And once again I will try to enter some new employee. New surname, and when I press save, see it shows my employee ID, then my name is equal to this, and then the surname is equal to this, which I have entered here. So in this way you can show the messages in your way, or you can custom your messages in your JOptionPane. Okay, and my employee is saved. So I hope you have learned something new this time. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.